Welcome back, everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1964 Chevy Chevelle. I love the blue paint job, and with the tan interior, I don't really see that color combo that often. As I'm doing the walkthrough, as always, if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so you get updated, and then go on over to volocars.com and we're all done and see the whole write-up, all the specifications and the pricing for this very beautiful 64 Chevy Chevelle. All right, let's get in. Interior looks beautiful. Seats are real comfortable, door just clicks shut. I love it. Not seeing any tears in this one. Headliner looks good. Back seat, not seeing any damage. All right, let me buckle up, start up, and go through a little bit of it. Now I just do a real quick description of everything. The more in-depth is Jay's when he gets it on the turntable. Everything's to start up. Start up sounds nice. Tachometers right there working. Battery, temp, oil pressure, fuel gauge. Everything looks like it's working. Then he actually has the additional ones down here for the oil, battery, and water temp. Has the updated radio. Let's see. Set it to manual, see if we can get something to pop up. Radio works, can't play too much of the song. YouTube likes to flag us for that. So all right, let's take it out for a drive. The 350 has a nice little purr to it. Play in the steering wheel, really. See how it drive. Goes a little to the right, we'll fix that, the alignment shop. How the power brakes feel. Brakes feel awesome. Really a quiet ride too, minus the engine. Always a great thing to hear these old babies purr. Have to manually turn off the turn signals. Tachometer's working, speedometer's working, engine temp's going up. Overall, it's really a beautiful ride, inside and out. Get on it a little. pulls you back in the seat. Still going to hear some air. I have the vent windows in the front open. I think one of the things I love most about this car is I don't see this dark blue and tan color combination. Steering is just so easy. It's 3-point turn this. This time I'll take it through the gears. One finger is just so easy to drive. Well, I definitely had fun. I hope you all enjoyed it. Like I said before, click subscribe, turn on the notifications for the YouTube channel, and go on over to volocars.com and see the whole write-up and about 100 other pictures of this beautiful vehicle. And we look forward to seeing you next time. As always, I appreciate you.